Hello learners, in this video lecture of the module, we will discuss news values. We will also discuss the historical background of news values. In addition, we will also explain various types of news values such as timeliness, proximity, conflict, prominence, impact, oddity and human interest. Furthermore, we will also discuss the dynamics of news values in detail. After completion of this video lecture of the module, you will be able to understand news values and the historical background of news values. You will also be able to explain various types of news values such as timeliness, proximity, conflict, prominence, impact, oddity and human interest. Furthermore, you will also be able to explain the dynamics of news values in detail. So, learners, let us start with explaining news values first. Newsworthiness or news values is a term discussed by many linguistic sociologists and mainly researchers dealing directly or indirectly with the field of media studies. Stuart Hall states that the media do not simply and transparently report events that are naturally newsworthy in themselves. News is the end product of a complex process which begins with the systematic sorting and selecting of events and topics according to a socially constructed set of categories. Initially labeled news factors, news values are widely credited to John Galtung and Mary Druce in their seminal 1965 study. They put forward a system of 12 factors describing events that together are used as defining newsworthiness. Focusing on newspapers and broadcast news, they devised a list describing what they believed were significant contributing factors as to how the news is constructed. They proposed a chain of news communication which involves processes of selection distortion, that is accentuating the newsworthy factors of the event once it has been selected, and replications, that is selection and distortions, are repeated at all steps in the chain from event to reader. Furthermore, three basic hypotheses are presented by Galtung and Druce. Number A, the additivity hypothesis, that the more factors an event satisfies, the higher the probability that it becomes news. Number B, the complementary hypothesis, that the factors will tend to exclude each other. And last is the exclusion hypothesis, that events satisfies none or very few factors will not become news. Several attempts to revise the list of criteria have been made since the original publication appeared in the 1965 edition of the Journal of International Peace Studies entitled Structuring and Selecting News. These news values are frequency, timeliness, familiarity, negativity, conflict, unexpectedness, unambiguity, personalization, meaningfulness, superlativeness and consonance. Though later in 1979, Dennis Maxine suggested a new subdivision of newsworthy events into several categories such as conflict, hardship and danger to the community, unusualness, that is oddity, novelty, scandal and individualism. Most of the above have more to do with impact like conflict, scandal, unusualness, hardship and danger to the community. Individualism falls into the category of audience identifications. What Maxen fails to isolate as a criterion is the pragmatic news value of stories in a news organization that bring about the balance of any media in questions. News values differ from community to community, country to country. What is common practice to one community may appear to be an oddity for a city-bred audience. While reporting such event, you should be careful not to appear to be derogatory in tone or in content. Similarly, news values are different for developing and developed countries. For the industrializations and individualized society of developed countries, commonly proactive speeches and incidents may be reported word for word, blow by blow. By the same treatment would be suicidal and would be lighting a powder cane in a community sensitive, illiterate developing countries. You should take all possible care in reporting such developments, keeping in mind the volatile nature of the audience and the reach of your publication. You must also follow some journalistic ethics and at times impose some self-censorship. Freedom of the press does not permit you to damage or destroy the reputation of a person. You should strictly adhere to the following guidelines, among others, to ensure that journalism is constructive and not destructive. A news reporter can be a good journalist and develops millions of fan followers through his good news writing style and articles. Journalists should keeping in the mind following factors or news values during the selection, sorting and construction of news stories. These factors or news values are as follows. Number 1. Timeliness. Timeliness is a critical factor in the context of news selection for both print and electronic media. It refers to the relevance and immediacy of a news story in relation to when the event or information occurred. Timely reporting is essential in journalism as it ensures that news is fresh, current and of interest to the audience. The significance of timeliness varies from print media and electronic media due to their unique characteristics and publishing processes in print media. In print media, which includes newspaper and magazines, timeliness is still important but allows for more extended lead times compared to electronic media. Newspapers are typically published daily. That is, an edition is published in 24 hours duration, while magazine may have weekly, monthly or even longer publication cycles. Consequently, journalists and editors in the print media domain enjoy ample time to conduct in-depth research, verify facts and craft content that is not only precise but also authentic, leading to a more accurate and reliable final product. Electronic media, including television, radio and online news platform, operate in real time or near real time. They are well equipped to deliver news instantly as event happen. This immediacy allows electronic media journalists to provide up to the minute coverage of breaking news and live event. Journalists often report from the scene of an event or use live broadcasting to keep the audience informed in real time. For electronic media, being timely is a crucial factor for retaining viewers and listeners. Audiences expect immediate updates and continuous coverage of developing stories. Failing to provide timely information can lead to losing viewership or audience. For example, if a severe landslide happened in Uttarakhand today, it must be reported in electronic media today only, while in the newspaper it will be reported tomorrow. If it is reported the day after tomorrow, it is not news, and no any one person wants to know. Thus, timeliness stands as a crucial factor in news selection for both print and electronic media. Although print media allows for a slightly longer lead time, while electronic media, especially online platforms, must prioritize real-time updates to ensure continual audience engagement. Number 2. Proximity. Proximity refers to the geographical or emotional closeness of an event or issue to audience. For example, Indian media outlets give preference to news stories that are relevant and impactful for the Indian audience or population, considering both their physical proximity and emotional connection to the event. Human beings take an interest in the happenings close by them. Readers and viewers wish to learn more about their own village, town, state and countries. All other things being equal, news from close to home is more important than news from far away. But it must be noted that the proximity is not only in terms of physical distance. Proximity may be social as well as psychological. Indian media gives significant importance to news stories that occur within the country or directly affect Indian citizens. Local news outlets such as regional newspapers, television channels and online news platforms focus on reporting events that take place in their respective regions. For example, a natural disaster, a political development, a cultural festival happening in a specific state or city would be given priority by the local media in that region. Indian media often highlights news stories that have emotional proximity to the audience. Human interest stories, social issues and personal struggle often resonate with the Indian public. Stories that evoke strong emotions like empathy, compassion or outrage tend to attract significant attention from the audience. Thus, proximity is a crucial factor in news selection as it ensures that news stories are relevant and impactful for the local audience. Balancing regional and national interest along with maintaining journalistic integrity is essential to provide comprehensive and reliable news coverage in India. Number 3. Conflict. Conflict refers to events, situation or issues characterized by tension, disagreement or struggle between different parties or entities. Conflict is an essential element of the human social system. There are internal conflicts within us, there are interpersonal conflicts and group conflict. When a conflict gets manifested in an unusual manner, it becomes newsworthy. In fact, conflict reporting is in abundance these days. There are suggestions that conflict reporting is harmful to society as increases the negativity and must be reduced. Conflicts are prevalent in various forms including armed conflict, political dispute, social controversies, economic rivalries, and cultural clashes. News organizations often give preference to conflict-related stories due to their inherent newsworthy and potential to engage the audience. Conflict stories frequently involve human drama, emotions, and personal struggles. These elements create an emotional connection with the audience, making the stories compelling and engaging. Conflict are an inherent part of human society, and news organization give preference in covering such stories due to their significance and impact. Ethical reporting is essential in conflict coverage to provide the audience with accurate, balanced, and responsible information while avoiding sensationalism and harm to vulnerable parties. The selection of conflict stories requires careful consideration of relevance, proximity, and human interest to ensure that the news coverage serves the public interest. For example, clash of interest between two leaders of a political party leads to its splits and news is created. Number 4. Prominence. Famous person in society make news. Their ordinary utterance and normal activities also make news. The prominent persons may be politician, businessman, academician, administrators, scientists, social activists, actors and performers, achievers, criminals, etc. It is not only what eminent persons say or do that makes news, but many times what they do not say or do not do makes better news. Prominence refers to the level of importance or significance assigned to a news story based on the prominence of the individuals, organizations, or events involved. Prominence is a key factor that journalists and news organizations consider when determining the newsworthiness of a story. News stories involving prominent figures or high profile events are more likely to receive extensive coverage and front page coverage or placement. For example, news stories about well known celebrities, whether from the entertainment industry, sports, or other fields, are often give prominence due to their widespread appeal and public interest. News stories related to top government officials, political leaders, or major policy makers are also given prominence due to their impact on the nation and society. Thus, prominence is a crucial factor in news selection, as it reflects the interest of the public in events involving influential individuals or organization. However, maintaining ethical considerations and a diverse news agenda is essential to provide comprehensive and reliable news coverage. Journalists and news organizations must strike a balance between covering prominent stories and highlighting other important issues that may not involve high profile figures. Number 5. Impact. Impact refers to the potential influence a news story may have on its audience or society as a whole. Impactful stories are those that resonate with the public, inspire action, and lead to positive changes. News stories of high impact can yield various outcomes, including policy changes, fueling social movements, holding leaders accountable, and empowering the audience to surmount challenges. We can understand the impact of news by the following examples. News organizations often give priority to the stories that have a considerable impact on their audience, communities or society at large. Coverage of events like natural disasters, political changes, social movements and health crises showcases how news stories can shape public opinions, spark discussions and mobilize actions. Thus, the importance of impact in news selection can be observed in various news outlets across the world. News organizations often prioritize stories with significant consequences and potential impact as they are relevant to their audience and serve as catalyst for change. Examples can be found in various news reports covering social movements, environmental crises, political decisions, economic developments and other events with far-reaching implications. Consequences and impact are critical consideration in news selection as they help journalists and news organizations to determine news stories and present to their audience. By focusing on stories with significant consequences and potential positive change, the media plays a vital role in fostering informed discussions, influencing public opinion and driving positive changes in society. Number 6. Oddity or unusual. It is another criterion or factor of news selection process. In this context, John B. Bogard, city editor of New York, The Sun, says that when a dog bites a man, that is not news, but when a man bites a dog, that is news. He points out very correctly that unusual events fall under the purview of the news. The headline, "Man bites dog," is unique and unusual. It presents a rare and unexpected event that captures the attention of readers because it goes against the expected pattern of dog bites being the norm. Due to its unusual nature, Man Bites Dog has the potential to become viral quickly. People tend to find such stories amusing and share them with friends and family, contributing to the rapid spread of news. It's important to note that while oddity stories like Man Bites Dog can be amusing and capture public attentions, journalists must remain responsible in their reporting. They should focus on the facts, avoid sensationalism, and ensure they do not exploit individuals or neglect serious issues. While oddity stories serve to entertain and engage audiences, they should not overshadow essential news events that have significant social, political, or economic implications. Journalists must strike a balance between covering unusual and entertaining stories and addressing topics of critical importance to society. Number 7. Human interest. Important person and important events are not the only news items that appear in the news media. News stories that arouse human emotions also make news, and such stories are much appreciated. The number of human interest stories is gradually increasing in all the news media as they relate to ordinary people. Human interest is a significant factor that journalists and news organizations consider to engage their audiences emotionally and personally. Human interest stories focus on the human experiences, emotions and personal connections, making them relatable and catching the attention to readers, viewers or listeners. These stories often highlights individuals' struggle, success or unique experiences that evoke empathy and curiosity. The concept of human interest can be observed in various news outlets. For example, news organizations often feature human interest stories in the form of profiles of individuals who have overcome challenges, heart-touching stories of kindness and generosity, or accounts of personal struggle and success. These stories aim to resonate with the audience on a personal level and encourage them to connect emotionally with the content. Thus, human interest is an essential aspect of news selection, as it allows journalists and news organizations to connect with their audience on a human level. By featuring stories that evoke emotions and showcase personal experiences, the media can create a more profound impact and foster a sense of empathy and community among the audience. Human interest stories have the power to inspire, uplift and bring people together, making them an integral part of news coverage across various media platforms. Dynamics of news values. The dynamics of news values in the context of news selection refer to the ever-changing and evolving nature of these values in response to various factors, including societal changes, technical advancement and changes in media consumption pattern. The process of news selection is not static. It adapts and responds to the dynamic nature of news values to cater to the needs and preferences of the audience. Let us discuss the dynamics of news values in the context of news selection one by one. Number 1. Audience engagement. As media consumption habits change with technological advancement, news organizations must continuously assess and adopt their news values to engage their audience effectively. The emergence of digital platform and social media has triggered a change in audience behavior regarding news consumption, driving a preference for more interactive, visually captivating and shareable news content. News organizations need to incorporate these preferences into their news selection process to stay relevant and maintain audience engagement. Number 2. Real-time reporting. With the advent of 24/7 news cycles and the internet, news organizations are under constant pressure to deliver news as it happens. Timeliness has become a critical news value, with audiences expecting immediate updates on breaking news. Journalists and news outlets must include or practice real-time reporting and update their news selection criteria to ensure that they provide the latest and most accurate information timely. Number 3. Sensationalism and clickbait. In a competitive media landscape, there is a temptation to practice sensationalism and clickbait to attract more viewers or readers. News organizations must strike a balance between criteria to catering to audience interests and maintaining journalistic integrity. The dynamics of news values require newsrooms to be vigilant in avoiding sensationalism and Focus on responsibility and accuracy in reporting. Number 4, diversity and inclusivity. News organizations are becoming more aware of the importance of diversity and inclusivity in news selection. The dynamics of news values now demand a broader representation of voices and perspective in the news to reflect the diverse society. Embracing inclusivity ensures that news stories are more comprehensive and provide a more in-depth understanding of complex issues in an easy way. Number 5, social media and user-generated content. Social media has become an integral part of news selection dynamics. News organizations now often rely on user-generated content for eyewitnesses accounts and breaking news stories. While this can add valuable perspectives, it also presents challenges in verifying information and ensuring accuracy. News organizations must be cautioned in fact-checking and reviewing user-generated content before including it in their reporting. Number 6, sensitivity and ethics. The dynamics of news values also encompass sensitivity and ethical considerations. News organizations must be mindful of the impact of their reporting on individuals and communities. While certain stories may attract attention, they should be approached with ethical consideration to avoid causing harm or sensationalizing sensitive issues. Thus, the dynamics of news values are constantly evolving in response to the changing media landscape, audience preferences and societal shift. News organizations must be versed in adapting their news selection criteria to maintain credibility, relevance and audience engagement. By upholding responsible journalism, verifying information and reflecting the diverse perspectives of society, news organization can navigate these dynamics to fulfill their vital role in informing and engaging the public. So learners, with this we have completed news values and the historical background of news values. We have also completed various types of news values such as timeliness, proximity, conflict, prominence, impact, oddity and human interest. Furthermore, we have also discussed the dynamics of news values in detail. Now, it's time to check your progress. Write down following questions and check your learning level by writing answers of those questions. Give answer of the following questions. Number 1. What are news values? Discuss the historical background of news values in detail. Number 2. What are news values? Discuss various types of news values with the examples. Number 3. What do you understand from news value timeliness? Discuss the importance of timeliness in the process of news selection. Number 4. Briefly explain proximity and oddity. Write your answer with the examples in the Indian context.